Hi, my name is Alina Truhina. I'm the founding partner of Utopia Capital Management and the managing partner of Atypical Ventures.
Thank you very much for joining us here this morning at the Web Summit. So first of all, tell us a little bit about the business.
So Atypical Ventures is an early stage VC fund and venture studio. In fact, it's the first Qatar venture studio, and we're investing in early stage companies across the Middle East, including Levant, including Turkey. And early stage for us is everything from pre-seed to pre-Series A and Series A companies across fintech, insurtech, logistics, mobility, health tech, as well as climate tech.
So you're the first. That clearly kind of makes me think that there must be a big need. Tell me more about that.
Absolutely. So we're the first venture studio, not the first VC fund, although we're one of the first that were announced recently with our strategic partnership with the Qatar Sovereign Wealth Fund, the QIA. We're the first venture studio in Qatar in partnership with the Qatar Development Bank, the QDB. And yes, there's definitely a need because early stage startups need more than just capital. They need technical expertise across product, growth marketing, AI, technology, engineering, and that is exactly what the studio provides.
Amazing. And what's been the reaction to the announcement?
It's been absolutely incredible. Qatar has been amazing. We're here at the Web Summit. The energy is palpable. I'm talking to founders who just can't wait to start building with us. And of course, founders across the region, across the world. We have two other funds in Africa and Southeast Asia, and we're seeing a lot of the portfolio of companies coming here to Qatar and the Middle East from those two regions. So as Utopia Capital Management, we're also attracting founders from across other emerging markets. It's not just about the Middle East, but it's positioning the Middle East, positioning Doha and Qatar as the epicenter for innovation and for a thriving ecosystem of startups.
And why do you create a venture studio and a fund in markets and regions like this?
We're really excited and committed to building a really thriving startup ecosystem and a startup economy because we truly believe that entrepreneurship is the answer for development, for economic development, social development. And if you look at different markets across the world, we can see incredible talent everywhere. So it's not just in the Silicon Valley, it's not just in Europe. And we see this talent and this potential, and we see the opportunities to build in a variety of different sectors and industries and transform those industries. And that's why we do what we do. And we only work in emerging frontier markets because that's where we see the greatest potential.
So I'm an entrepreneur and I'm watching this interview right now. What should I do if I want to find out more?
Fantastic. Please come to a-typicalventures.com. We're launching the website as we speak, so please leave your details there. We'll get in contact. If you are at the Web Summit, please come and visit us. We're here. We are actively starting to invest in companies and businesses. We're also looking to partner and co-invest with other VCs and funds, as well as work with corporates who are looking to innovate with ventures, again, across the Middle East and in Qatar as well.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure.